of rookies right now. He said that they have more, win or lose, they have everything to gain from this tournament in developing the team. On the other hand, for PLDT, Coach Roger is not playing with a complete lineup today, but is positive that his team will still perform well. Experience is their advantage, and they are not new to the opponent. You talked about training time earlier, and actually Coach Roger also mentioned that PLDT does have time to train together, but since all of them have day jobs, there's always the challenge of the luxury of time. Adin Sev?
Sabi ni Roger, bakit siya ang kinukunan? Ikaw pinag-uusapan ni Edwin and Yun. Siyempre, ikaw ang kukunan. Di ba?
Airtime.
Galing yung director namin, Francis.
Hani audio-video lang, di ba?
Galing mo talaga.
Diba?
Tunay kang kliyente. 9-7. Earlier, we saw Charo Soriano drill one in. I was teasing Charo. This must be strange when you're playing against her.
Yeah.
Yes, it is, sabi niya. And,
because she's the ate. Even if hindi na napang-abot nitong match na to, they really look up to her as an ate.
In the last UAP, she was in fact on the bench of Ateneo in the coaching staff. In the meantime, here's Eliza, responses of the defense. It's in the air. Rupig goes the other direction. Two Roses. Oh, such a smart player. Just knock that down. It is 9-8. Si Luan Lapigay ang kanyang pinag-iinitan ngayon, si Roger, no?
Parang, nakita rin naman natin during the huddle.
Parang feeling niya Luan is ad-libbing or deviating from the choreography. Now, this is one issue that you have to consider, especially if you don't have a lot of practice time together.
Yeah.
De Leon says, no, Charo, I got it. It's long. Check ball. Binigay. We're tied at 9.
Coach Roger still unhappy despite that point. More instructions coming.
I'm sure he wants to win here today.
Of course.
I'm sure he wants to win here today. No question about it. It's no axe to grind perhaps, but just the thrill of beating a team he used to coach. Here's Morado. Eliza adjusting in the air. Latigay dumps it over. Morente got to it. Amy Ahumiro. De Leon with that familiar kick set of hers. It stays down, and that first taste of the lead by PLDT Homtel Pad. Mikasa po ang official ball ng Shakey's Billy. Seb Sarmenta and Remulla Kanda and Ivy Remulla taking care of your volleyball game this afternoon here on the GMA News TV Network. Yakiliana. Eliza on target.
Look at that. Excellent down the line attack.
You know, Eliza is like a typhoon. There's a storm signal. You know it's coming. But somehow the defense doesn't adjust as quickly.
Ang bilis kasi pag si Eliza, she gets to adjust and really direct the ball where she wants to be.
Okay.
Habang nandun siya in midair.
And the nice thing is Morado gives it to her very early. Oh, De Leon dumps it over. The rookie scores and makes it 11-10.
Ito na yung sinasabi rin ni Coach Farley, that this young Ateneo squad really has nothing to lose. So they're playing without pressure.
Boy, they're getting taller and taller.
Parang actually generation ngayon, you see the young ones.
I don't know what we fed them. In the meantime, Pantone got to it, De Leon. Nice fake, nice choreography. Latigay got that over. Valdez is blocked partially. The kick set into the net by Yakiliana. Yakiliana, who also has a sister who plays for College of St. Benilde, actually. Huwag mo natin kalimutan sa panahon na pag-usapan ng Tagulan. Tagulan ay Lion Tiger Katol ang kailangan. Proud partner ng Shakey's Billy. Service, who is serving? Ate Charo Soriano from way back somewhere in Cubao. Morado. Valdez. That play died. I don't think that was the way the plan was choreographed.
No, miscued actually. Walang pumasok for that set. And Valdez calming down the rest of the team.
It's really her job during the UAP finals, calming down her team.
And yun yung importante sa the leadership, you get your team together.
And there's no question, she is the ate of that team, sila ni Denden Lazo. At the meantime, Soriano. Oh, this is the familiar Sue Rosa's play. Latigay. Namatay yung play.
And the blocking of Ateneo. They're just right there at the net.
You know, with De Leon, that's a tall girl they have there. Should be at around 6 feet. Just extending those hands still proved to be an asset defensively for the Lady Eagles. We're tied at 12. Lapiga keeps it in play. The Bernadera is there. Rosas is blocked. It is outside. What is the call? It is outside. And making it 13-12. Let's watch.
In that case, the linesman was actually overruled by our first referee.
Yes, referee Gaa, who's at the top of the perch, overruling the linesman. Well, it's just right beside him. Kita niya. Latigay. Morado, the combination. Morente rejected. Morado says, alis ka naman dyan. Paano ko naman matitira yung bola?
Nagkabuhol-buhol na sila dun sa...
Morente was another Roger Borayev recruit.
Yeah.
Actually.
That's right. Actually, a lot of, ito yung mga bagong pasok sa kanila, mga recruit ni Coach Roger.
Siya ang nag-recruit niya. Kasi didn't get the chance to coach them on last year.
But he must be very proud seeing them.
The development of the sport continues, in fact. 14-13 count. PLDT is still ahead. Eliza Valdez going down the line there.
Valdez, of course, now at the service end gets a lot of cheers from the fans.
Of course, an ace. We try to understand what's the thing about Eliza outside of the basketball, the volleyball skills rather. I think it's really the smile.
Very kasi siya parang pag pinapanood mo walang angas.
Whether plus or minus basta kanya. With fun family pizza, shakies lang siya, mataya na siya. And that goes in 15-14. Eliza still in the service area. Antone got to it. Sue Rosas. There goes Lazaro. Back through the block. Oh!
Classic case of miscommunication between De Leon and Benting.
Benting went for it, didn't want to go for it. Same with not doing anything special here.
Nagkakagulo lang talaga itong PLDT. At yun the pressure sometimes for a player na hinuhugot sa bench at pinasok sa loob. The expectation is that you will deliver better than the person you replace.
Yeah, then you could tell Coach Roger was not mentioning names, which you could sense more or less who he was referring to as. Valdez is still at the service area. Benting gets to it. Soltones cranks it up. It is long.
May halong gigil ang opensa ng PLDT.
And your confidence seems shot because you're not doing things well and you wonder when you'll score next. That's why teams sometimes let's play defense. Baka makakuha tayo defensively and they get something of Eliza's miscue on the serve.
They're just down by 2 points. I guess for PLDT, the key really is not to let Ateneo get a much bigger lead than this.
Of course, Ateneo also a two-time champion of this tournament of the Shakespeare League. In the meantime, Yakiliana got it. Nice combination! Saltones! Oh, she was so delighted. Kanina pa siya natatakam umiscore. Watch this, huh?
And that's the kind of reaction that you want to get as well. And you get energy.
I think it loosens them up. Medyo kung minsan pag nasa-serve mo lang ka, you can end up tight eh.
Oh, you just need to shake it off, and that kind of point might just help.
Well said. And the fact that loosened them up a bit, as Sue Rosas was our best player in the win of PLDT home Telpad last Thursday. Nice dig up by Pantone, who looks steady. Same thing with Lazaro, who likes skidding on that floor. But Yakiliana punctures that. Humiro is back in the front line. Alam mo talaga yung libero really is in for the middle. Most of the time, as Ivy also explained to me, usually it's for the middle hitter. That's the reference point.
Yep.
Pag umikot sa rotation yung middle hitter. In the meantime,
Oh.
look. Yes, it is outside. It looked very long, and Charo Soriano is back in business. 18-17 is the count.
De Vanadera at the service line for PLDT.
Sets have been long this afternoon, huh?
Pahabaan ni...
In the meantime, PLDT steals that away. It's not at 18. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shaky Swili. The Bernadera all set to serve second turn for her. Then Ahomiro's left-handed stab. De Leon keeping it in play. Then Ting got to it. Soltones cranks it up. Maalog-alog ang net. May violation na tayo. And now it is PLDT in the lead by a point, 19-18.
Ang hirap din, no? Minsan pag maraming veterano, there are a lot of people who really want to direct. And
daming choreographer.
Oh.
And we saw that so with two veteran teams earlier. De Leon got it to bite.
Gets a point. Gets him a 2-point lead.
Ruby, Tina Sala, they just know when to use it.
Oh, yeah.
Time out for the Lady Eagles. Time to listen.
Kumapit ka muna sa third position ka muna. Ha? Kumapit ka muna sa line. First line. Yes, maganda.
Double time na lang. May double time na lang.
What's that last play? Hinulugan. Kala ko kung nakasya kay Charo Soriano. Tingnan mo.
And yung maganda dito kasi si Charo, pumasok din.
So the defense against Soriano, so it throws you off completely. 2018, almost a full house here. Just a few empty seats, and the ball is on the net as the Venadera says, oh no. 2019. Michelle Morente, long.
Series of service errors.
And it's 21-19. One time we'll just put microphones on all the ladies. They're really screaming at top of their lungs actually. Set up job by Morado. Yakiliana. De Leon. Quick by Soriano!
Oh! Great timing by Soriano.
And everybody's whispering, can she do that to her former school? Yes, she can. Yes, she can.
Habang nandito, walang yan.
Laro to eh. Oh, nice serve by Sultones. Ami Ahumero is blocked. Neatly so. Lady Turbo Boosters taking charge of the match. And PLDT now, I think they're in sync. And Ateneos that is a bit disorganized right now. Watch this. Nabantayan si Amy, no? Huling-huli. Alam ni Charo Soriano saan pupunta yung bola. Ito yung Kirby yung kanina. All part and parcel of a good run, which has now given PLDT home pad a 4-point lead and looking good. Taking this first set, they could be 2 points away. As Sultones will be serving for all of us.
Another good serve.
Pushed by Valdez from the back row. Angela Benting. One more time around the block.
Oh.
And the block stays steady. And Benting says, I got it.
That's an off-speed shot instead.
And
Ganyan
it is-
makikita pag veterano eh, no?
Oo, yung alam na yun. Uli. Ulitin natin. Yun naman ang smart do sa set at binigay uli. Soltones for the set. And then King messes it up as Morado throws them a curveball. 24-20. Roger Correa back off his seat. Wants to take this first set. Gusto nang kabaw ng set. In! Kaya pala siya tumayo. He wants a timeout. Wants to ice it in there right now. They have lost a lead of 5.
Kanina outside nire-receive natin. Yung inside, di natin receive. Maski outside yan, kung sa tingin nyo, marireceive nyo ng maayos. Receive nyo na. Tayo umatake. Hayaan nyo silang mag-pressure. Huwag nyo yung balin yung pressure sa atin. Lamang pa tayo ng maganda pa yung lamang natin. Huwag nyo sasayangin ha. Diskarte maigi ha. Ayaw.
Tama naman si Coach Roger.
Yun yung mga case na parang when you're in doubt, if the ball will go in or out, just get it. Pwede naman.
Saka yung sabi niya, alanganin kasi para makumpisa tayo ng atake.
Oo.
Para matapos natin yung set.
Oo, tama. Now, let's see if they can get a good reception. They just need 1 point. Hindi na kailangan,
Hindi
Seth.
na kailangan. Eh yun, pag inabot pa nila yun, makapatukan na sa Coach Roger. Masyado namang malayo na yun. 25-21 nung matapos po ang first set natin, nagwagi ang PLDT home telpad. Let's take a look at our Shakey's Shake and Play, which this is that, I think, Angela Bentinquez. Yep, to the block. Back in the moment. Hats on to eh. Kasi kung puro ad-lib, walang mangyayari sa atin dito. In the meantime, the first point of the second set belongs to the Turbo Boosters, PLDT home cell pad. They are the team in red on the left of your screens, and the Ateneo Lady Eagles are in white across the other side. Attacked by Valdez. Kept alive by Morado. De Leon goes the other way. Sue Rosas punches it up. Valdez cranks it up and scores.
Siyempre, very young ang lineup ng Ateneo. Maraming huhugutan ng energy to figure
Yeah.
out no matter how long this game will last.
No, the veterans do have experience, but the advantage of youth, well, you know where youth is wasted. It's wasted on the young, of course. Here is Latiga, who's back in harness. Joust. Morado suddenly made the decision. Valdez, why not?
Look at this. Valdez.
First set going the way of PLDT home telpad, 25-21. Current count is 2-1. Ateneo winning its first match against the PNP Lady Patrollers. And in the meantime, last Thursday, nanalo rin naman ang kupunan ng PLDT home telpad laban sa University of the Philippines. So yung mga dalawang natalo ng Thursday, hindi pa rin nananalo. The tournament 0-3 sila pareha. Well done. And Morente baffled by that serve of Soriano.
That was a nice floater from Soriano. Let's see if she can do that again.
Shakey's or Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. One thing you should remember about Charo Soriano, there was a time in the UAAP, she was the leading scorer of the tournament and also of this particular league. De Leon punches it over. There's Denden Lazaro. The set intended for De Leon. Lazaro says, let's recycle. Let's go to Eliza. De Leon says, catch it. On the other. Moetes says, gotcha. For De Leon. Stays down.
Good defense being shown by both squads until that error from De Leon.
She's a little gawky and gainly, but she's very young.
And she has the height. So
Oh.
yung titignan mo talaga no, in a few years time as the muscles develop,
He's
Right,
just a little
skills here
older.
there. Oo, experience din siguro yung Kalani build.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shaky Speed League. Tinago si Eliza. Nabantayan ni Gretzel. From one power to another. Recycle!
Oh!
Huli! Huli si Eliza.
And Roses very happy with that block. Sabi niya, finally nahuli ko din. Look at that. Solid block.
Left-hander.
Oh,
Kamay
suminave
lang.
niya yung kamay, no? Really reached for that ball.
Oo. Ginanon. Kumaway.
Hinabol.
Hinabol. 5-2. Ang serve ay narito pa rin kay Charo. Tinaas. Rado. Down the line, inside. Yes, indeed. No question.
Sabi ni Valdez, paano niyo kukunin to ngayon? That angle.
You know, Valdez and Lazaro were part of that very young national team, youth team before. They were really, quote-unquote, nobodies at that time, along with Dindin Santiago. They were so young. Oh, that's neatly done. Oh, no, I think they called the violation. They
Lifted.
Yep.
And that's what you have to be careful of, ano? Kapag ka magda-drop ka at patagal nagsistay sa kamay mo ang bola, let's take a look at that.
Parang mag-ile-layup ko na,
Oo.
parang sa basketball.
Pag matagal yung contact, it's normally called a lifting.
Oo, huwag mo gagawin yung isasama yung bubuhatin. Kapikin mo. Roses. Then, somersaulting again. Here comes the free ball. De Leon. Oh, well done!
Oh.
Ang taas ng height ng kay Roses.
And when Roses gets a good set,
Watch
she
this,
makes
watch this.
sure, tinan mo to, she makes sure she gets that point. Look at that. Walang blocker.
You know, Sue Roses also played for Ateneo as a guest player.
Yes, she did.
6-4 is the count. Boy, full arsenal. Ah. Siyam lang ang tao nitong home telpad, but going at full throttle. They're up against a challenger today. Want to prove something against the youngsters here. Ah, De Leon!
Oh, De Leon this time around.
I am the future, sabi niya.
Let's take a look at that again. Just a single block here from PLDT.
Coach Wiley Group was already on his feet. He's not the head coach. It's Ty Bundit, but he's the one calling the shots here today. Here's De Leon. De Leon. Ruby got it, and even Den couldn't reach for that one.
Solton is packed with so much power and
Oo.
speed.
I love watching Den Lazaro, and who used to play for Roger, the LaSalle libero.
Guhing.
Yeah,
Melissa
Melissa Guhing. I love watching them because they're so poised when they play. They're so prim and proper. And then they suddenly somersault, revealing their happy childhood.
Alam mo kung sino pa ang prim and proper? Hindi masyado. Ito si Panton eh. Wala masyadong reaction yan. Tapos parang hindi gumagalaw sa loob ng court. But you'll be surprised. She's actually there where
Yes,
the ball
indeed.
is.
Yeah, we love our liberos. 8-6 is the count. PLDT ahead.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it.
Need to be more mindful of their position so that they can cover all the areas for defense. Meanwhile, for the Lady Eagles, Coach Parley just wants the girls to have more confidence inside the court. Them to be smart, learn to read the blocks, and find open areas to hit the ball. Anin Sev?
Thanks a lot, Ivy. Alam mo, when you covered Roger Correa for the longest time, he always goes back to the practice. He always refers back to what did we do well in practice. Alam niyo naman yun eh. That's why we practice. That's why we train. Ahumiro, who hasn't gotten really going here, fires that left-handed stab. Sultan is from way back. Then keeps it afloat. Here comes Valdez with a toss. Morente. Or rather, Gekiliana. Hulog, ganda. Ang linis ng hulog. Oh, well done by Gretzel Santones.
And she knew na butas yung gitna eh.
Oh, watch this. Watch this. This is so beautiful.
From the middle.
Woo!
Sees that opening.
Gusto ko yung... bubunutan ko kayo ng espada, pero hindi, kutsilyo lang dala ko.
May wine din. Pero pa rin siyang pull.
Bubunutan ko ng espada, pero kutsilyo lang ang dala ko. Nagtagulan lang. Yung Tiger Cat lang kailangan. A proud partner of the Shaky Spirit. Ahumiro, a little too strong. 11-6. Ateneo has not scored since the technical timeout at 8-6.
Well, most of the points that they've earned so far in this set are actually from the errors of PLDT. So tama yung sinasabi kanina ni Eliza, no? Kailangan gumalaw sa loob, they need to rejoice and forget what happened in the previous set.
Roses and Ahumira foils De Leon. It is 11-7. That's the official ball of the Shakey's really. But you know, Ateneo has been a slow starter, even in the UAAP semifinals, in the final, in that Final Four, and the battle against La Salle, of course. They've always been slow starters. I don't know if that'll hold true here today because PLDT home Telpad is playing so well. Valdez wild on that one, long.
And there are just too many errors right now being committed by the Lady Eagles. Hindi nakakatulong no dahil mas lalong lumalayo itong PLDT.
Hindi precise yung offense. Hindi precise yung targets na tinataman. The choreography is correct, but the targets are completely off. And sabi ng PLDT home Telpad, sige, bahala kayo. We'll just play defense here, and they want to go to Eliza in the back row. Eliza hustles back because she was out of position. Here comes Yakiliana, spikes it over. Ross is spinning like a top. Latigay and then Lazaro is out of reach. It's 13-7.
Latigay at that point was just really aiming for the corner. Hindi nilalakasan. Nakita mo, palobo yung bola niya. Gusto lang niya makuha yung corner ng court.
Then they just extended her hand actually.
Inabot niya pero it was...
Lazaro seems to be back in shape after sitting out for a while after being injured in the UAAP finale, and that is rejected. 14-7, PLDT home Telpad in full command of this match.
And the biggest lead by far.
Absolutely. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Lazaro. Morada is eaten up by the double block.
And the ate, Shara Soriano, teaching the kids how it should be done.
Look at the swagger.
Oh.
15-7. But Charo was part of the group that eventually moved Ateneo from the doldrums into the Final Four phase of both the Shakey's League and the UAAP. In the meantime, Sue Roses kept in play by Valdez. Yakiliana rejected. And this time it is PLDT home Telpad in full command, reaching the technical ceasefire ahead. 16-7.
So, tignan natin, Gikiliana now at the service line for Ateneo.
Okay, 16-8 ang bilang natin. Ito. I was telling Coach Matt beside you, yung mga ate, yung mga nasa PLDT home Telpad, tinuturuan ng leksyon ito mga kapatid nila rito, no?
Yun nga, ang sinasabi, this is how you do it.
Ito, medyo kick up nyo yung level nyo. Alam ko, champion kayo, pero teka muna. Ito, gulangan to, butakan to. Saka may pride din naman yung kabila eh.
Of course.
Excuse me. Lakas. Pasok yan. 17-8 tayo.
Latigay. A little bit off with that attack, but still a point.
Ako si Latigay, galing din sa Sebastian niya.
Oo.
NCAA champion din yan eh. May karapatan din yan.
And ano yan, MVP awardee din yan si Latigay, ano?
Ateneo just completely out of sorts here. 18-8. Ateneo will make a change in its lineup. No, they will call a timeout instead.
Short call ka na. Please, sabi na yan. Just talk. Not talking inside. Let's go.
Usap lang kayo, usap.
Tayo, go lang.
Okay, 18-8 ang score natin. Kanina pinag-uusapan ko si Christine Siatan. Dinidesisyon na namin kung mag-uupo ba siya na matagal o makikilala niyo na siya. Sabi ng mga kasama natin, hindi, pakilala na natin. 17 years old, Quezon City po siya galing. Meron siyang box ng Shakey's Pizza. May laman ho yan. May laman ho yan.
So the best thing about actually watching live is get the chance to be chosen as the
Face
face
of the
of
game.
the
Smile ka lang dyan.
May libre ka pang pizza.
Yes, indeed. Reverse. Sue Rosas just punching. Everything is working for the Turbo Boosters. They're just showing the young ladies a lesson here.
At magulang talaga lahat ng ginagawa. No? See, that one was just a well-placed shot for Roses.
If you look at it squarely, Ateneo did not go far in the first tournament. In the school-based tournament.
Yes.
They got knocked out in the early phases. They lost also to the team from Mindanao. They didn't do very well. Didn't go to the Final Four. Didn't last very long. And they haven't gotten used to playing together also. No excuses. They're getting a lesson here. 19-9 is the count. Too easy now for PLDT home tailpad. Ahomiro. Pecho.
Valdez with a good block.
I failed to mention that Des Patilano is already on the floor and wearing number 12 for the Turbo Boosters. 19-10 po ang bilang natin. Yes, Kiwi. Ang dami, poise na poise na, no?
Oo, di ba? Parang ano yan, magugulat ka na lang nandun sa pwesto na.
She's so composed. Ang isa rin masarap pa noon si Jet.
Yun eh. Pero yun iba naman ang style niya. Magaslaw naman
yun,
siya.
Yun, happy bouncing ball yun.
Yun yung mahilig mag-rolling.
A lot of all the braided hair to match. Ay, Mintes. Lusot pa rin. Tinaas ni Morente. Patilano. Soriano battling with De Leon. Ahomiro to the other side. Valdez, no angle. No angle. Lai had no angle on that one. And it's 20-11. The first set was taken by PLDT home tailpad 25-21. Sa panahon ng tagulan, Lion Tiger Katol ang kailangan pa partner ng Shakey's Pizza. Inside.
PLDT 4 points away from closing the set.
The crowd is whispering. They're in shock. This is not the same team they saw a couple of months ago in the UAAP. It will never be the same team. You have to trust us on that one.
That's right. Look at this from Valdez.
Patilano. Ang ganda ng kombinasyon. That is blocked. It is blocked.
They have to start somewhere, and right now one of the biggest advantages that Ateneo has is height at the net.
With De Leon there. Ella De Jesus is there actually. But Ella, she's coming off an injury. She's suited up. I don't know if she'll play. Ella, one of the main cogs of the Ateneo team in the UAAP run. Nice reverse set. That goes through.
Morente with a good kill.
Back-to-back points. Rare moment for the Lady Eagles to go back-to-back in production here. 21-13. Gia Morado will be serving. Pushed by Roses. De Leon confused. Valdez is caught. It's a choreography issue. Where is everybody going?
Right now, medyo nakikita natin the difference in the movement of the Lady Eagles. Quite unsure, especially dun sa positioning nila.
Yes, I think so. I agree. Latigay. Then Morente cranks it up. Roses. De Leon tips it over. Gia Morado. Wala not exactly an offensive set there. Patilano. And this is not going anywhere for both sides. Everybody's ad-libbing here and there's too much mustard on that one.
Morente may konting gigil dun sa last attack na yun.
23-13, timeout requested by the Lady Eagles.
Tuloy mo. Over na yung muna. Pinalo. Ha? Takuin mo agad. Ha? Sige, pag maganda. Ha?
Sige lang. Okay na yan,
Ay, atras ka, Lai. Lai. Lai.
Actually, I see Ariel Patong on there. I was wondering who was missing from the team, but Ariel actually is there. And but no, make no bones about it. PLDT home Telpad just issuing a meat clinic here, and look at that. Even that is messed up by Gekiliana. De Leon telling her teammates just one to go. I like her name now. Very long.
Very long.
You look like a legal office. I'd remove that hat.
Takes a while to get used to
Yeah.
it.
We will. De Leon setting up Sultanes. Ross is keeping it in play. 24-30 with the set point. Morente hammers it. Rosas goes the other direction. Sultanes changes the power. Then was going for it. Choreography problem, ano?
So ito yung kung sino yung kukuha ng bola dapat.
Valdez couldn't get it going, and the Lady Eagles end up empty. But take nothing away from PLDT home Telpad. They take the second set and then 2-0 lead 25-13 here in the second. We'll check out our shaky shake and play. It's off a serve, actually. Ace. Back in a moment.
Seb, yun nga, no, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung number of errors that Ateneo actually committed, really showing the youth of
yes.
this young squad.
They're just getting a lesson here and then. It's many excuses you could come up with them, but no question about the authority in which PLDT home Telpad is playing this game. They're so confident. They're loose. They're smiling. Boy, layo pa kayo. Sabihin sa atin ang layo pa niyo.
That's right. And talagang PLDT was actually in control. Sinasabi nga natin, ano, na itong younger squad of Ateneo being schooled by the Ates in the first two sets.
Exactly. It's not just Charo Soriano, it's a graduate of the school doing the lesson. It's everybody. Here we go. Third set. Giliana cannot get to it, and it is now 1-0 in favor of the leading PLDT home Telpad Turbo Boosters, who lead in the number of sets 2-0. Shakies for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakies. Okay, let's dissect Ateneo just a bit. What do you think they have to work on here? They have Valdez, they have the usual elements, but what doesn't seem to be working for them?
So I think for one, nagkakagulo itong galaw ng Ateneo, and we saw that very clearly in the second set. So the focus, the miscommunication was really there. The coordination inside the court was very poor.
Even that serve escapes them, and De Leon says, even that is so easy for me. 3-0. Is this a bit of rust coming in? Or is this too much to expect because they are the UAAP champions?
Well, I think for one, of course, the expectations are very high. And then we know that a lot of the fans really came here to see them play. At maganda yung nakita nating laro dito sa team na to, no, nung una nilang laban. Pero ito nga nakikita natin, no, there are still some yung inexperience ba ng bata. Yun yung nakikita natin pag nagkakamali sila. They don't adjust as quickly as more veteran players would.
In the meantime, there's a double block finally. Eliza trying to celebrate, and something to celebrate. Ariel Pantongon is back in the roster. First time for her to play this afternoon, actually.
And, she might be just what Ateneo needs to
Wake up.
Wake up.
In the game, actually. 3-2 or 2-3. Amy service long.
And if you're PLDT going up against a stronger team, smart yung ginagawa nila ng inuunahan nila because, face reality, yung endurance pa, mas malakas syempre yung mga bate. So, kailangan talagang unahan.
Oo, kesa magising pa yan, mawalan tayo ng gasolina. The official outfielder of the Shakey's V-League is Axel. Into the net with Chara Soriano, it is 3-4. Si Pantones na naglaro ito.
Antone used to be, she's one of the best liberos of Adamson, actually. Her name before she got married was Gata.
Oh, yun. Kaya pala. Sorry, I did not keep up to date with your status.
Pero yung galaw niya, yung laro, ganun pa rin. Ganun ka-relax.
Oh, teka, nawapoys ako. Huwag ganyan. Huwag niyo ako itutulak. Pinag-uusapan ako ng panel dito. Huwag niyo sisiraan yung voice. Ito pa. Parang, Binibining Pilipinas, number 32, candidate number 32. Bilang na pa.
It happens. Pero maganda yung debate at reception.
Such a voice, even now that you mentioned Gavin, I remember. Nagigigil ang Ateneo.
Oo. Ngayon yung factor na they know it's a third set, a very crucial set for them. Alam mo, skill-wise, wala kang ka-question dito sa Ateneo. The potential is really there.
Yeah.
Yun lang they need to adjust immediately.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, lahat sa agad ka palang kailangan ng partner of the Shakey's V-League. And getting back into competition shaping. Alam mo, pagka practice kayo at kayong lalaban, magkakasawaan kayo. Iba yung nabigising kayo ng competition, and Roger Correa couldn't care less. He needs to win here. He wants to win. In the last conference, the San Sebastian team couldn't pick up a single win. And he was kidding us. First time ako mati-break na maaga.
Oo.
Eliza gets one on the cross court, and it's 4-7. Pag mubuka, alam ko yan. Yung papupuntahin ni Eliza yan.
And ito, of course, Coach Roger directing the position of the receivers.
Hello, Mantongon dumping that down, and it's 5-7. First time for Ateneo to get some points back-to-back. Eliza Valdez looked long but playable. Nice quick. The Bernadera. And we will be back after the technical ceasefire.
They were not able to recover from the errors that they commit, making it more difficult for them to score the point. Coach Roger told the girls, on the other hand, that they should enjoy the game but not lose their focus. They should make sure that to maintain the lead and to push to move their score even further. They should capitalize on the fact that the Lady Eagles are having difficulty recovering from the errors they're committing. Anin Seb?
Si Coach Roger ayaw na magpakita.
Ayaw na magpakita ni Roger pag pinag-uusapan mo. And the Bernadera, who, as you mentioned, was from San Sebastian, by just going to town, scoring at will here. It's 9-6. Watch how she does it here. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. In play.
Oh.
And out. It is 7-9. Antone is back in as libero.
Good serve.
Huli. Katigay, Soriano, they can't get to it. Nice try though. And we are at 8-9.
Ito yung sinasabi din ni Coach Roger, no? They should relax, pero still remain focused. Ito, dumidikit na ang Ateneo.
And just when they're beginning to wax hot, they send it into the net, and that's disappointing for them. 8-10. Morado. Valdez long. No spin at all. I can actually hear Mosey Ravena.
Wala.
Diba?
Walang spin,
And
no?
Mosey. No
No.
spin. Diba? I can actually hear Mosey. That's Mosey's pet peeve.
Buti inunahan mo na ako yung sasabihin ko.
Si Mosey yun ang pet peeve niya pag yung naiinis siya sa spike niya. Pag walang pitik.
Oo, kailangan yun eh. That's what you need to put. But in that case, might be too much to ask also from Valdez.
They're trying to loosen up here. They're too tight eh.
Ang maganda nga pag pumupunta sa Ateneo, nakikita mo may effort na really rejoice.
Loosen up a little.
Oo.
9-11. Ito, sige na, tawa na lang tayo. Magagawa natin. Mukhang hindi tayo makalusot. Pero sige, tawa tayo. Pag napatawa niyo si Ahumiro, hindi tumatawa yun. 9-11. Back row strike. Short.
Thanks.
Morente looks like a cheerleader after
And they need to celebrate all the points. They need to bring back the energy on their side of the court.
Then Lazaro can't believe what Morente is doing actually.
Natatawa na rin siya.
Explain to me later what you're doing, huh? Ooh, just above the net, Pantone. Latigay, long and retired.
Oh, look at the errors now being committed by PLDT.
Roger Gorayev up on his feet. Sabi niyo, gusto niyo magtagal? Sige. Tabla tayo at 11. Su Roses. Latigay. Morente. Valdez. Buhay pa. Chance for Ateneo. But Valdez is unprepared. Latigay.
Defense wasn't there for PLDT, and just like that, Ateneo.
Nagising yung tao, no?
Oo.
Yung gusto mo makakita.
Yan ang pinunta daw nila dito.
12-11. Could either be of two things, son. We go home a little later, or PLD wakes up and decides let's go home earlier. Antone is not interested in staying longer. Latigay. Morado will set up. Valdez! De Leon. Quick by Ahumiro. Cantone says no way. Su Roses. Ateneo playing sharper now. Valdez is coming, but long.
That one was too hard, too long. Masyadong malakas yung palo niya. No? She put that much pressure.
Pati siya nanyaps dun eh.
She hit it so hard. Minsan yung ganyan, kailangan pitik lang talaga ng wrist. Humaba masyado yung kanyang palo.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, Lion Tiger Catol ang kailangan. Lion Tiger Catol ang proud partner ng Chinese League. And those of you who already played badminton know that wrist is everything in badminton. Same thing with volleyball. Nicely done by Luan Latigay.
You see that attack of Latigay with the right spin. Ang ganda ng angulo.
Exactly. Then they're trying to make this a more joyful set for their fans. It's 13-12 here. Here's Ruby De Leon. Nicely done.
De Leon. Of course, one of our strong servers here in the Shakey's V-League.
You love it when she makes that kick. She was the setter for NU when NU won the first conference last year against Ateneo. Ito hindi na kumikik. Walang kick niya yun.
Saving her energy.
Well, let's try to hammer that. Alanganin nito. May regalo, no? Hindi nakita ng Ateneo eh. They're not ready for it. Mukhang regalo hindi na upakan. And look at this. Look at the poise of PLDT home field bat. They were already down by a point, but okay, no problem. Back in front by 3.
Diyan mo makikita yung experience not being rattled easily when you're down.
Ahumiro scores, make it 13-15, and Morente again jumping up and down like a Mexican jumping bean.
But very consistent all the points, which is good. You know, they just need to get back that energy on their side.
They need something to zip them up, eh? Process. Valdez. Fans want to see a display of power here. Hindi si Eliza kasi cuts across all social classes.
Oo. Yun nga sinasabi natin, she's always such a joy to watch.
I think she has fans here, there, and everywhere. And it is 16-14 as PLDT home Telpad hits the technical timeout to the 10th. Third set action, 2 sets to love. Ang lamang ng PLDT home Telpad. Valdez clears day.
Valdez, our top scorer right now for Ateneo now with 16 points.
It's so powerful the course sa kanya. So easy for her to make at least 17 or 18.
Yun na yung average.
Hindi na ako nagugulat sa kanya.
Well, actually, right now, what Ateneo needs to do is to get the others to step up because
so.
following her is Gekeliana and De Leon only with 4 points each. Morente with 3.
Ateneo with a touch of the net. Both referees concur. And Roger Goroyev having an issue with the referees about clapping. Valdez.
Oh, Sultones again. She was under the ball. And yun yung nagiging problema niya, no?
You know, one day I'm gonna kid Eliza. I want to see how strong it is.
Ikaw yung magdidig.
Susubukan ko siyang putuhin, which I'm sure I won't be able to do. I just want to know how strong she is. That should be fascinating. Nice touch by Morente. It's a point for Ateneo.
Oh, look at that. Morente consistently celebrating all the points.
She has nothing else to do.
Oh, pero yung iba hindi siya sinusundan. Tumatawa lang.
Papoy, tatawanan siya. Tabla tayo, 17. Valdez sends it into the net. Spoiling Morente's party.
It's one of the few times you'd see her commit that error.
I've seen her become best server here, also here in the V-League, actually.
You know, one of the things that, fans love about Eliza is the fact that she's very consistent. Yung mga errors, if it happens, dun ka nagugulat.
And suddenly, it's a 2-point surge. If there ever was one by PLDT home Telpad. Shakey's or Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Not a good reception there, but ginawa ng paraan. I can actually see the people watching the streaming typing in, what is Morente doing? Diba? Sa Facebook page ng Shaky Spirit, what is Morente doing?
Well, they probably love it because it's the kind of energy they're looking for.
He's trying to loosen up, actually. Roses, mukhang regalo. Mintis, Hilda Manadera.
And ang ayaw ng PLDT at this point is yung makuhaan sila ng isang set ng Ateneo. They go into a 4th set. Oo, tsaka yung pagod nga it will definitely come in.
Yeah, they're not exactly spring chickens. No insult intended there. We all know they're the more experienced. Hard to go against somebody 19 and 20 years old. And Ateneo in the lead by a point. Nakuha kakalundag ni Morente.
Equal lang yung dumarating Kaya ba ng bitin mo? Huwag nyo tatlong sunod-sunod na error yan, Bitin-sit, tapos lang, Kaya yung effort natin, receive nyo lang maayos na time. Kunin mo na yung receive na time, ha? Huwag nyo na iasa kay Luan. Ini-nervous sa pag-receive dito, Puro kayo lang yung narinig natin.
Okay, here's I think our last play, and that is a mishandled service. Roger Goroyev's flavor of the month is Duan Latibe.
getting all the beating today.
And, those of you who may not remember what the flavor of the month, ice cream companies have here's the flavor, the choice for the month.
Ito mga players ito, sanay na yan dyan. Especially Latigay, because she's, all throughout her college years, yan ang ano niya.
Yun ang kanyang nasa kanyang iPad.
Oh.
Nicely done. Soltones knocks it down, 20 apiece. Ni-enjoy na lang natin they're not in competition shape. That is clear. Davanadera. Lazaro.
That's
Actually, Ateneo will be relatively intact, for the UAAP with Lazaro and Valdez playing their last year, and they will throw in a battalion of youngsters.
Which hopefully by then, very comfortable na inside the court.
Soriano says, makinig kayo sa akin yun, ha?
This is how it's done.
Toughness ito. I don't think we can celebrate difference later on, but this is a game. 21 apiece now. I love the way Soltones played extremely well also in that win they had last Thursday against UP. She's just so comfortable with the and Gia Morado, who rarely watches a set, throws that away. It's 22-21 PLDT.
Haluin mo, ha? Yan.
To 21, the PLDT home Telpad lady or the boosters, two-row boosters are ahead in the number of sets and looking good. Although Ateneo trying to threaten here in this third set. Morente got to it. Soriano, De Leon, Valdez, Nekiliana, hijack. And it's a 2-point lead by PLDT home Telpad. Threatening to make this a straight set win here.
And that will be a good statement in here, for PLDT.
Soltones, nice serve. Valdez digs it over. There's a lot of players skidding to the floor. Valdez has to stretch for it. Morente, follow Nigekiliana. Yes. But Roger Gorayev felt it may have hit the antenna.
Point to Ateneo.
Roger Gorayev has had this moment to pick with the officials. Watch this. What happened here? The net.
It hit the net. It hit the net, actually.
De Leon. Alam ni Ben din. Valdez. Benting. Hule. Roses. Benting again. Alive and kicking. Valdez is coming, but it's gone. Was getting a kick out of the action. 24-22. Timeout requested by Ateneo. 24-22. And it is match point for PLDT home Telpad. De Leon. Morado. Valdez. Ayaw pa umuwi.
Clean point for Eliza.
Coach Roger, namimiss ka namin. Ayaw pa namin umuwi.
Tatlo kayo, hindi nyo pa sinaraduhan yung palo. Lahat kayo, binablock nyo yung pababa. Pwede, kung ano kayo, itong cover na, paano ka, kaya mo kagad. Kasi pa nga yun yung mega, isang tundot na lang tayo, ha? O, tapos, fighter mo ulit, ha? O, kaya na.
Tama nga naman yung mama. Inantay nyo sa babae. Hindi nyo binlang ka sa kasi naman.
And first line of defense, yan ang blocking.
Wala, hindi plakado eh.
Look at this. So talaga namang pinadaan ni Eliza going to her left side. And hindi lang siya bukas sa blocking, bukas din sa depensa.
Ganda ng wind-up niya, Eliza. Samantala, Ahumiro, 23-24. Antoni. Roses. Morente. Valdez. Buhay pa. Morado, De Leon. Everybody's screaming here. Benting. We're tied at 24.
Look at that. The crowd jumping. Yan na yung sobrang saya. That the game might just extend to another set.
24 apiece. First to lead by 2. The only two people who have not lost their voice are the referees, actually. Philip Season and Edwin Gam. They're trying to be as poised about the whole thing as ever.
Relax na relax. Let's see.
Ateneo keeping it in play. Something has wakened them up. It is in play. A set coming. Valdez striking. Pantone. De Leon the other way. It belongs to PLDT home Telpad. They are in their second set. Match point, rather.
And it also De Leon, of course, goes to her high percentage attacker in Roses. Si Roses has grown. We've seen her when she started at ngayon. She's grown into a role player. Very consistent.
Siya yung porsyento eh.
Not very flashy, but she really goes to the point.
Soriano. Morente. Alangan and Valdez is scored. Tequillada, free ball. De Leon, porsyento!
Oh!
Yes! Tama. Doon lang ako pupunta.
Diba?
Doon ako pupunta. But the crowd got a chance to shout out and enjoy the game. But it's a straight set win for PLDT home Telpad. No question about it. And watch this shaky, shaking play. We shall send you into a short break and be back very quickly.